Good morning, Saturday, May the 24th, and the weather on Marco Island is absolutely fantastic. It's a beautiful day today. We've got sunshine all day long with hardly a cloud in the sky, and we've got sunset tonight at 8:10, so definitely head down to the beach and check out the sunset. As for the rest of the week, well, Sunday starts our rainy season, I'm quite sure of that, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, rain every single day. Now, it's not going to rain all day. It's probably going to rain in the afternoon for maybe an hour or two. So we've got 35% chance on Sunday, 40% chance on Monday, Tuesday 35%, Wednesday 30%, Thursday 45%, Friday 50%, and Saturday is, it's gone off the screen. And Saturday we've got some more rain. Anyway, basically rain every single day of the week starting Sunday. But like I say, it's not going to rain all day long. It's just going to rain probably in the afternoons. We've got some thunderstorms virtually every day. So our rainy season is about to kick into high gear. All right. As for the tropics, well, we still have this system which is going to become a tropical depression by the middle of next week, and that's now got a 70% chance of formation, but it's coming nowhere near us. It's heading towards it's in the Pacific off the coast of Mexico, and it's just going to go into the Pacific. It could affect Hawaii, but it's way too early to make that determination. So nothing in the Atlantic, nothing in the Gulf of Mexico. Alright, my name's Paul, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.